Good morning, students. I am Savita Alfred. Welcomes you e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Students, today I am going to give you all exercises and question answers of Standard 5, Subject Moral Science, Chapter 11, Beep Beep, the school bus is waiting. So let's start. Question number 1. State whether the following statements are true or false. A. Joban woke up late in the morning because he didn't like getting up in the morning. This is true sentence. Likewise, other exercises and question answers have been done for you. Dear students, today I have given you question answers and all exercises of this chapter. So write down it in your copy and book and learn it. Thank you.